Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a crazy video. You guys probably remember a few days ago I did a vlog in which I did a chemistry experiment and the experiment went terribly wrong. So today I'm getting back on the horse. I'm doing another chemistry experiment and this time it's gonna go well, guys. I'm ready for this. So basically the experiment is gonna be the liquid density experiment. So I have a bunch of liquids and we're gonna do something crazy with these two glasses. You'll see. So what we're gonna need for the experiment is olive oil, food color, corn syrup, dishwashing soap, a card, believe it or not, two glasses, and one spoon. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put a little bit of olive oil in this glass. So let's do it. We're gonna put approximately half of the glass, something like that. Okay, that's good. I don't want to waste too much olive oil with this experiment. This is actually really good olive oil, so you know, let's not take too much. Alright, then I'm gonna put some water in this glass right here. I will be right back. Okay, so I got the water. Now what we're gonna do is put a little bit of food color inside the water, just so we see the water better for the experiment. I'm gonna put my water, I was about to say blue, but that's a bad idea because the dishwashing soap is already blue. The water is gonna be red or pink, whatever. So I'm gonna put a few drops of food color in the water. Alright, just like that. Just a few drops, like this. That should be fine. And now we're gonna mix. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is put the water inside this glass right here with the olive oil. And we're gonna observe something really cool. So we're actually gonna put the water really slowly, just to make sure it has time. Alright, let me do this. Whoa, you see all these little bubbles in the glass? That's crazy. And now the water is going directly at the bottom of the glass. I think there's enough water. So yeah. Now, as you can see, I spilled some water everywhere. So I'm just gonna clean this up and I will be right back for the rest of the experiment. Alright, so everything's clean. Now we can continue the experiment. So now we're gonna take the other glass right here and we're gonna put a little bit of corn syrup inside of it. And while we're doing that, the water is gonna go at the bottom and the oil is gonna go on top. Well, actually, it's pretty done already. This looks very good. The bubbles are all gonna pop and then it's gonna be ready. So yeah, now let's do this. So we're gonna put about half this glass of corn syrup, maybe a little less. So just like that. Yeah, half the glass is a little too much. We're gonna put that, just like that. That's maybe like 1/3 of the glass. So then what we're gonna do is take the dishwashing soap. By the way, you guys might be wondering what kind of container is that for the dishwashing soap. It's just a hand sanitizer container. So yeah, that's why it doesn't look like dishwashing soap, but it is. So now we're gonna put it just on top of the corn syrup and the dishwashing soap should stay on top. Wow, it's gonna take forever. I'm gonna open that and put it on top. Just like that. Wow, this is so cool. It really does stay on top. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at our two glasses. Alright. So now we won't need any liquids anymore. So we're fine. So now you might be wondering, why do we have a card? Well, we're gonna try to do something really cool. So right now we have two glasses, as you can see, one with olive oil and water and the other one with dishwashing soap and corn syrup. So what we're gonna do is take this card. I'm gonna need to think again. I was supposed to take the card and flip it over slowly on the other glass, and the liquids we're gonna mix and take back their initial positions. But I'm gonna need something a little bigger than this card because the radius of this glass is a little too big for it. So I will find a bigger card and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I found the solution to our little problem. This is my old chemistry book from when I was in high school. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on the back over here and I'm gonna cut a piece of paper. Just like that. We won't need this anymore. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna use it instead of the card. So what we're gonna do is take this just like that and then flip this glass over and wait until the liquids are back as they were. So let's do it. I just have to make sure I have a good grip. I'm kind of scared, guys. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, everything is going well. I have to stay like that, or else it's gonna be a big mess. So now the corn syrup should go at the bottom and the dishwashing soap should go on top. Alright, so I think it worked. Now what we're gonna do is put that on the other glass. So let's do it. Okay guys, I think we did it. Whew. All right, that's fine. Now, what we're gonna have to do is remove it slowly so that there's a little gap in between, right there. So it's spilling a little bit, that's fine. Actually, I think I'm gonna clean it up just to have a better chance of succeeding. So give me a few seconds, I'm gonna clean that up. Alright guys, so everything looks good. It's better than it was. Now what I'm gonna do is try to take off the paper just a little bit. So we just want a little hole so the air can pass. Alright, that's good. A little bit of liquid, a little bit of corn syrup is passing over here and it's going straight to the bottom. So when all the corn syrup is going to be at the bottom, it's going to be good. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can see what's going on, but right now the remaining corn syrup is going straight to the bottom and yeah, it looks pretty good. Wow, this is so cool. And then it's going to be time for the dishwashing soap. I don't know where the dishwashing soap is going to go, to be honest. Is it going to be on top? Or I think the olive oil is going to be on top of the dishwashing soap. So I guess now we just have to wait a little bit. Actually, I think I could make a bigger hole. Yeah, just like that. But it needs to be slow. Oh no, the dishwashing soap is going right there. Wow, this is so cool. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna wait now. There's nothing else to do. Okay guys, so everything looks good. I think I have a little bit too much of dishwashing soap. So I'm gonna try to, oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to put that away. Alright. Phew, I did it. It's a little messy, but I put it away. Alright, so how does the main glass look? It looks pretty good, guys, as you can see. We have all our liquids at their right spot. So on the bottom, we have the corn syrup, then the dishwashing soap, then the water, and finally the olive oil. Wow. This is so cool. The experiment was a success. I completely failed the elephant toothpaste experiment last time. It was really embarrassing, but this one was way better. Wow. Alright, so now I'm gonna clean everything up and then I'm gonna have a better look at the glass. So let's do it. Alright guys, so I just cleaned everything up, as you can see. Overall, I'm really happy with this experiment. I think the result is really cool. We can really see the density of the different liquids, and yeah, it's really beautiful, you know? All the colors. So I think that's it for this video, guys. It was really fun. I proved that I could do chemistry even after this terrible elephant toothpaste experiment last time. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!